Today we're going to be making juicy, flavoursome lamb chops with homemade mint sauce. Keep watching because you don't want to miss it. People can be put off from buying lamb because I've had a bad experience in the past with it being a little bit too fatty or cooked incorrectly. But I'm going to show you a really simple way to cook lamb chops that will work every single time. All different cuts of lamb will have different amounts of fat in them. Now I've got these lovely little lamb chops here, and as you can see there's a good layer of fat on them and fat marbling through the centre. Now if that fat wasn't there, then the steaks would be dry when we cook them and they wouldn't have as much flavour. So the fat for me is essential for a super tasty, really juicy, delicious lamb chop.
Sitting at the same old workplace. What's the point of this chase? To just bite our old tail. Wishing that something would change, that we could turn back the page and live like our favorite fairy tales. So a love so freeing, a world of our fantasy, flying on dragons through sky-high city. These are childhood dreams, it's how we used to be when we were kings and queens in our childhood dreams. Oh, 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 our childhood dreams. Feeling, I feel so lightweight when I think back to those days, but then we went our own ways. I'm thinking about what needs to change, that we could turn back the page and live like our favorite fairy tales. So a love so freeing, a world of our fantasy, digging up treasures and sailing across the sea. These are childhood dreams, it's how we used to be when we were kings and queens in our childhood dreams. Oh, 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 our childhood dreams. Our childhood dreams, it's how it used to be when we were kings and queens in our childhood dreams.
That's how you make juicy, flavoursome lamb chops at home with homemade mint sauce. Now if you made it to the end of the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I release new recipe videos every single week and you don't want to miss them. I'll see you in the next video.
Wishing